afternoon and welcome to today's Ladue Lightning Storm Report. Today is February 28th, 2017, and this is the SPC's Convective Outlooks map. Now, the Storm Prediction Center specifically put us in the enhanced region of thunderstorm activity tonight. Now, this system could include hail, thunderstorms, tornadoes, wind, and all that sort of fun stuff that's associated with severe thunderstorms. So we're in the enhanced moderate region, which means that we do have a moderate chance for bad storms. Now, we are on the edge of it, as you can kind of sort of see right here. So I'm not thinking that we're going to get too much of bad stuff, but if you're in any of the area that is any other color than white, you should be aware of what's happening outside. Now, let's talk about specifically what the forecast is for today. Right now, it's overcast, and it's going to be overcast for the rest of the day. Our low temperature was 55 degrees, and that happened this morning, and our current temperature, which is our high, is 74 degrees. Now, let's talk about what's going to happen at about 4 p.m. We're going to have a little bit of rain start at 4 p.m. at 73 degrees, and that rain will end at 6 p.m. at 69 degrees. Now, it'll actually be like cloudy, probably overcast that whole time, and it won't really clear up. It'll just stop raining because there's not a lot of energy in the atmosphere, because when the storms came up last night, they kind of fizzled out, and so it kind of died out around St. Louis, so there wasn't really anything interesting going on. Now, when we talk about these storms that the SPC is reporting, they're going to tell you it's tonight. I'm going to tell you it's tomorrow morning, starting at about 1 a.m. So if you're up, go outside, take pictures. We'll put them on our Instagram. But in reality, what's really going to happen is those storms will push in around 1, and we'll see a little bit of rain, a little bit of hail, probably no tornadic activity specifically for us. That's more to the south and the east of us. But those temperatures will be 67 is the highest temperature in that area of 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. and 58 is going to be the lowest temperature in there, because those temperatures will drop, because what's going to happen is a cold front will push in and that will produce that. So let's specifically look at our live camera of Ladue Middle School right now. What you're going to see is a couple cars passing by, and it's extremely cloudy. That's what you're going to be looking at there. So let's move in to the National Weather Service's weather map, because I did not have time to draw one. So what you're going to be seeing is the storms are going to take they're going to kind of glide along this low pressure system cold front. Now, what I think is going to happen is this little warm region is going to end up right over St. Louis, and that'll be kind of part of the heat island effect, and that'll kind of disperse all of the weather, and so it'll kind of shoot north and south of us, in my opinion. I'm not expecting our area to have a lot of bad weather, and I think that little warm pocket is probably part of that, and that'll be part of why we get rain rather than storms. But it is still possible for us to get storms, so look out for that. But anyway, these storms will guide along this path, and they'll kind of keep pushing over this way to the east, and that's what you're going to really start seeing tonight. Now, when we look at what's formed on the National Weather Service's radar right now, you're going to specifically see right down here, they're starting to form, and they're right along that boundary that I pointed out earlier. And that's really what you're going to be noticing is that they will guide right along that boundary, almost like a train track. They'll just go right through that. So that's what you can expect. When that boundary comes over us, I don't think that there's going to be too much bad stuff happening, but that should be it for us. So that'll be it for me. Thanks for watching. My keynote just died, so no, there we go. Maybe it's going to fix itself. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out lhstv.weebly.com/weather. Follow us on Twitter at Ladue_lightning. Check us out everywhere, and have a great day. Stay safe tonight. I'm Chief Meteorologist Ian Mason.